Hi everyone, this is Blake from Lineup Lab, and in today's video I'm going to be covering managing and saving your data. So if you want to read more about managing and saving data, go to our tutorials page and click here. I have a full write-up with a video at the bottom, and if you're not familiar or haven't used Lineup Lab before, definitely go to our tutorials page and check this link out. It's our basic training page, and it has screenshots on how to use the software as well as a video at the bottom as well. So let's get started. I'm going to select NBA and FanDuel, and you see our saved players choice. So I'm going to assume that you don't have any data saved yet, and we're going to click on load a projection source. So let's just imagine, we've filtered players, we've added some to our selected players pool, and you will probably have noticed the save button here before you calculate, and then after you calculate, you've probably seen the save selections button. Now those both do the same thing. When you click on it, it's going to ask you to title this. So I'm going to say NBA March 28th, save number 3. And so now that file is saved. So I can leave the site, come back if there's a late scratch, or if any of my players are game time decisions, which we know they always are, then I can make adjustments and recalculate quickly. So let's go ahead and just start over, and let's imagine that we've come back to the site. We want to load up some of our saved data. So you would do that by clicking here on Save Players, and this load saved data box is sort of a shade of blue, just to signify that you're not loading a projection source, you're actually loading some of your saved data. And when you click on the drop down, you're going to see all of your different saved files. So when I click on one, it's going to load up that information that I've saved. And I can click on the recent one I just did, and you'll see that it has all of the players because I just added all. But let's walk through this really quickly. So if I open up this file, I've selected just specifically a few players for each position, and it's also saving the points as I'm editing them. So if I think Kyle's gonna have a blowout night, I edit his points up, and I click save again. Well, now it's going to allow me to update this file. So I can leave the name and just click update, and it overwrote that file. So the next time I pull it up, you can see that it successfully brought up those players as well as the points that I put in. So as time goes on, and I'm sure this is beneficial for folks, especially in the NBA season, and really any sport, we do a lot of work, we do a lot of research, and this gives us the ability to save our work and come back at a later time. Because like you, I'm making last-minute changes right before the lineups lock in. But once the day's done and I want to clean up some of my saved data, just click on your name here at the top and click on Manage Selections. And when you do that, you're going to see all of your saved data, and it's going to show you all of your saved data across all of the sports. You can delete them individually, or you can delete them all. And that's it. That's managing and saving your data. You do have to be registered and logged in to use this feature. I hope it helps you out. If Lineup Lab in general helps you out, all I ask is that you give us some love or follow us on Twitter, and I do appreciate it. Other than that, good luck and take care.